where we passed the guy on the phone coming up the hill with a off-leash dog. He was talking about getting the numbers down. That's referring to. I forget the exact word he used. It's like jump, no, go around the rock. Hell no, go right over it. It makes so many more, gives you so many more options of place to go when you're like wanting to hit the rocks. Except that rock. Well, that's the end of the single track that I'm gonna ride. Go up to the WaterFall Trail here. Since I'm not wanting to be done, that's for sure. The WaterFall Trail, that's moss, that is cool. I think it's just around the corner. Oh, I think I had a kill the other day. I went through the, well, I think I noticed a squeak when it happened and mentioned it on cam. Oh my God. Yeah, you can tell the difference between the hiking trail and the biking trail. So I think there was a vole that I killed at the skate park because I was just charging through the top grass, and I noticed there was one dead there. God damn, this is steep. Yeah, I don't know that I'm gonna go up to here. Not knowing the trail, I'm getting a little warm. I got my hat on it. Oh shit, that's kind of an obstacle. Coming up and down. Just like a rock around the corner. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, what? The waterfall's down there. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, it's probably up here. Well, I was gonna jump over the fence here, but yeah, I don't think I'm feeling up for that. See how big the pools are down there. Definitely looks like people have been getting down there. Restoration area, stay on the trail. All right, more speed, more options. Holy root trail from hell. I love it. angle. Spot where there's like a creek up here somewhere. No, definitely going back down this way. Rufus Creek Trail, WaterFall. Fuck. WaterFall viewpoint. 1 mile this way. Oh, this hill climb looks gnarly. Yes, please. I was about to go take an unknown fire road back. Kind of close. Look at this hill climb. Oh god, what is this one? Oh, there's logs everywhere. .1 miles. What is the direction? Oh man, it's magical down here. I'm just gonna go to the creek, but oh yeah. I feel like I've been here. I'm sure I have. Shit, which way did I come from? Fuck, did I come from this way? No. No, I didn't. Oh, I turned around, guys. Follow the humming sound of the fan of the EUC. It's gotta be this way. I hear it. The constant drone.